Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from NWatch and we are back with another One Watch 5 new looks, right? So this time around the subject for today's strap fashion show, I must say, is this Casio AE1200 I don't really remember the variation, well they call it the AE1200 WM maybe. Yep, WH, right? So 1200 WH, so which came with this green bezel with a resin black case with this what do you call this? Is that green or is it, I don't know guys, it looks like green, a much lighter green compared to the one on the inside of the dial, but yeah, still I think it is a cool watch in as an alternative to your usual suspect, which is this one. This version, this is another AE1200 which is available in this gray colorway, and it comes on a bracelet, right? So there, wristwatch check, another AE1200 or the Casio Royale, right? So I've been using it on this particular adapters here. So this is an 18mm to 22mm strap adapters. So I've got it from a seller on Shopee Malaysia, but the seller is actually from Indonesia, where they have done a 3D printing for strap adapters, right? So yeah, I don't think that they are selling these strap adapters globally. I'm not really sure about that, but of course, if you guys are interested and you guys live in Malaysia or in Southeast Asia, I will leave a link to the Shopee if they are still selling these things. But yeah, still, I don't know guys, I've been using it for about I've had this for I think more than 1 year already. When I got this adapter and I've got this composite strap from Strapsco, I just didn't even bother to swap it out to another strap because I think it looks cool in my opinion, right? So anyway, let's just that is just a segue to the first strap of the day, which is this composite strap, which is well it is basically made by resin, and you have this screw pins here. I think they are double-sided screws, which is I think really annoying to resize, but once you've resized it, so yeah, no issues whatsoever. So we have your simple this stamp class here, which is okay, not that bad, with a 4 micro adjust, right? So, and just have to put it like so. It is quite light, so I don't really bother about it. I don't really mind it, right? So, and of course on this side it is again similar construction, right? So 22mm, and yeah, I think these things are available in 20mm width as well. But yeah, still I don't really know if Strapsco is still producing this bracelet, but yeah, they've sent me to try this thing out for a few years back, and yeah, I just love it for this what it is, right? So let's just put it on the wrist and see how it looks like. All right, it's just yep. It's the other way around, sorry about that guys. Yep, like that. So this is how the Strapsco composite bracelet looks on my 6.75 inch or 17cm wrist, paired with that adapter. And yeah, I think it has that, it gives that military vibe, which I really love about this particular piece, right? So let's go to strap number 2. Alright, so the second strap is a canvas, a very affordable canvas 2-piece straps from AliExpress. So I originally came with a canvas keeper as well, but I've customized it using one of my buddies Rizal what do you call this, leather keeper, which for me looks cool, right? So in my opinion at least, right? So yeah, again, this is the dimension of this particular strap is 22mm, and yeah, I think it looks cool on this particular Casio, right? So like combination of black and green, and with this brown leather, it suits the whole forest theme of this particular piece. And yeah, I just love how it looks. So yeah, 22mm, no tapering, so straight 22mm from here to here. And we have this I don't think this is a stainless steel rivets, yeah, because I've never wear it outside and suddenly it rains, and I don't think this is a water resistance rivet. Yeah, we will never know because I've never tested it, but I'm pretty sure that this is a 304 stainless steel, so this one might survive the the rust, but this one might not, right? So yeah, things that you need to be aware of if you want to get yourself one of these, right? So but these are available in tons of different color options, and yeah, of course I will leave you a link to AliExpress, right? So next up is a rubber strap, so which is available from quite a lot of vendors on AliExpress for less than 10 bucks. So this is what we call what I like to call a Tropic styles FKM rubber strap, right? So we have this tons of hole, and we have these shapes here that mimics a Tropic strap. Well, a company that is a brand name actually, so that is why I say it is a Tropic style strap, because I don't really want to have any issues with the real owner of the brand, right? So a typical this is of course less than 10 bucks, so of course it came with this polish buckle, but I think the later version of this exact strap, they do have, you know, a brush keeper and a double brush buckle and double keepers, and also a quick release system, right? So this one doesn't have it, but still I don't really mind it because yeah, I think it looks cool on this particular strap, right? So of course when you add the adapters, you know, this will add some of the lug to lug dimensions, so that is why the end of the strap is going to be sticking out, because it's a bit long. But yeah, if you guys have bigger than 6.75 inch wrist, I think this would suit more up to, you know, 8 or even 8.5 inch wrist with the help of that particular adapter, right? So yeah, cool option in my opinion, right? So let's go for strap number 4. Right, so the fourth strap of the day is this camouflage silicone strap. So very cheap and affordable camo style strap from AliExpress, I think. So I've got this for like what, $3 or $4 US, but yeah, still you can see the theme here, right? So I don't have the green camo style, so I think yeah, even if I have the green one, it should be, you know, it's gonna be perfect. But still, I think this gray and black, it somehow fits this positive dial, right? Switch for me. I don't know. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? It looks cool in my opinion, but yeah, still, yeah, maybe not matching your style. But if I have the green one, it would be perfect. But still, I don't really think that is a bad color option in my opinion, right? So that is strap number 4, a camo style strap from AliExpress, right? So let's go for strap number 5, which is an FKM rubber strap that I've got from DIY Watch Club, right? So this strap is originally sent to me by Emily from DIY Watch Club when she sent me my first ever build from the company, right? So which is I think D02 diver watch, right? So yeah, I think it comes with this tapering from 20 to 18 millimeters style of strap with this center ribs to make it, looks a bit to make it look a bit classy, and it has this curve right in this area so that it will easily grip your wrist when you are wearing it. Of course, we have this double movable keeper here with a brush buckle sign D for DIY Watch Club, right? So yeah, and of course it has quick release pins, so easy for you to swap out your strap. And if you notice here at the back, we have this 18 millimeters string bar and a 20 millimeters string bar at the strap adapter here, right? So I unfortunately, again, I don't really have it on any other colors, so I do have black right now. So but I do think that they have a few other color options as well. But if you don't want to get this from DIY Watch Club, you can always get this from AliExpress and similar site, right? So but yeah, this is how it looks. I don't know, guys, it looks okay, not that bad, but yeah, still a cool option to have for your Casio AE1200, which is fitted with this strap adapters. So I will try to find any other strap adapters available in the market today, but now I only have this one. So yeah, maybe the options is limited, but yeah, still, if you guys want to have an idea of how to swap out straps on your Casio AE1200, so this is one of the options available. So if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.